Lesson 1, Niche Research. Right, now in Lesson 1, we're going to be looking at niche research. Now, one of the first places you'll probably want to go to is called ClickBank. Now, ClickBank and 𝗕𝗏𝗰𝗁, which I have up on the screen here, they are both marketplaces where people can go along and they can choose a product that they want to promote, and then they can promote it for a vendor. The vendor is the product creator, and then they pay a commission to the affiliate who sold the product. So going there will allow you to be able to niche down. Now, one of the things I need to speak about is that you need to be able to niche down to a narrower subject. For example, make money online is a very, very broad niche. However, you can bring that down to video marketing, and that's a reasonably broad niche as well. But then if you bring that down to YouTube marketing, then you have a niche that you are being very targeted with, that will then encourage people to be able to go along and find a specific problem that they want to have fixed. One of the things you need to remember when creating a product is you need to be able to help people solve a problem. If you can't help a person solve a problem, then the efforts you're putting in are actually futile. So one of the first places I go to choose a niche is both ClickBank and 𝗕𝗏𝗰𝗁. Now let's go and have a look at what they look like. Now here we are at ClickBank. Now what we're going to be doing is I'm going to go over here to the left hand side where we're actually in the marketplace section just here. We click on that. We're in the marketplace section. And as we do, we go over here to the left hand side, and you can scroll over here and have a look at some of the options. So as you can see, you've got arts and entertainment, as seen on TV, business investing, computer, internet, cooking, food, e-business, and e-marketing. Now we're just going to click on the drop down menu just here, and we can have a little bit of a look through here, and we can choose what we want to look at. Now we can go for affiliate marketing, which is a niche on its own. You can also go article marketing, it's another niche. You've got blog marketing, classified advertising, and you go to scroll through and you can have a look at the various niches they have here. And through that you can actually go here niche marketing, which is going to be more specifically to do with a specific type of niche that you're looking at doing, and we'll have a look and see what they have here. PLR blowout, 55 private label right packages, and that's the sale for that one. So you might want to look at doing private label rights or doing a niche on private label rights if you want to. Private label right monster, 50 product packages. Okay. Make money online by converting Amazon books into courses. That's something you can do as well. You could also maybe use that as a niche. That's an unusual kind of niche that you might want to get into. Then you got micro niche keyword, 75 commission. Okay. Niche Reaper. And as you scroll through, you might have a look at the different kinds they have here. So you got on here on hypnosis and law of attraction, MP3. So if you want to get into the law of attraction or the self-help industry, that's another option too. And as you scroll through, you can have a look at what they have. So I personally would be more interested in maybe this one here, and you can have a look at the PLR Monster 50 PLR product pack, complete with PLR rights. Let's have a look at that one, and we'll have a bit of a squiz and see what's actually involved. There might actually be some more niches that you might want to get into by looking at what they have to offer. So we'll just scroll through here and have a bit of a look and see what they have on offer. And as we scroll down, I'm just going to shrink the screen up a little bit so it makes it a bit more comfortable to look at. Okay, so as we scroll through, we can have a look down and we'll have a look at the various things they have on offer here. So let's open that up a little bit so we can see it. Okay, so you got 7 success, then you got 10 ways to create the perfect online video. So this is good. This is actually giving you some really good options on what you can do for niching. You're niching down using this. So affiliate marketing, social media marketing is another option. Aiming high strategy, that's a self-help one. Beating spyware, malware, etc. There's a whole bunch of different places you can go here to niche down. As you can see, they have a lot of options here. So this has got one here, beginner's online business handbook, And as you scroll through, you get some really good ideas from here. All right. Let's go and have a look at the next one. Okay, so here we are over at 𝗕𝗰𝗰𝘁. Now we're just over here on the left hand side, we scroll down until we get to affiliates, and we hit that little drop down menu just there. We click on that and we scroll down until we hit find products, and we click on that. And in just a moment, we're going to wait for this to click in, and then we're just going to scroll back a little bit and have a look at what we're looking at here. Now, first thing I like to do is to find the filter section. Then I click on there and I like to put in the word PLR, PLR, and then over here I will click on this one, and then we will go to internet marketing and e-commerce. Then what we do is we hit search, and it will search it up for us. And in just a moment, we can now have a quick look at what it is. We can also have a look at the subcategory at this point if we wish to, and we can have a look at the various niches that they have available. For example, affiliate marketing, banner, blog, and you can scroll down till you have a look at this. And let's have a look at video marketing, and we can go search. And in just a moment, it'll come up with another search for anything to do with video marketing. So we can go down here, Avatar Academy, stock video PLR, fire sale, and you can also go down here, and as you scroll through, you can have a look at this YouTube live income stream PLR. We can have a quick look at that, and we can have a look at what sort of things they're trying to sell. I don't know whether this is, no, PLR should be something we can have a look at. So we'll just wait for that to wake up. Let's have a look at the product page just here. And in just a moment, this will open up and we'll have a quick look at the actual site itself. Okay, so it looks like it is a private label rights YouTube live income stream. So you can have a bit of a look, and you can see it is about YouTube marketing. It's about YouTube and how you can do live streaming on YouTube. So maybe that might be a niche you might choose to go into if you know anything about YouTube. So this is 𝗕𝗰𝗰𝗁, and that's one of the places I also like to look at when I am doing my niche research. Let's go have a look at the next site. And we'll go a bit more into it. Now the next place we'd like to go to are PLR stores, private label rights stores. Now the reason we want to go there is because they have already done the research for you. And you can actually have a look at the various niches that they have there. And you can see the various things that people are selling. Now, they have done their research. They know what is sellable and what is not. And when you go onto their stores, you can actually have a look and see what sort of products that you can create. When you go into the PLR store, you can have a look at the type of products that you can create. So let's go and have a look at some private label rights stores. Here we are at a site called 𝗓𝗓𝗓𝗓𝗓𝗓𝗓𝗓𝗓𝗓𝗓𝗓𝗓𝗓𝗓𝗓𝗓𝗓𝗓𝗓𝗓 It's a private label rights site. Now what we're going to be doing is we're going to go down here and we're going to have a look at some of the latest products. Now you want to have a look at the actual private label rights section. Actually, any of these sections will do, but preferably private label rights. And you can have a look at the private label rights section, and you can make a choice from there. So I'm just going to have a look at some of the ebooks they have available here right now. And they have, once again, affiliate marketing seems to be fairly predominant today. And we can have a look over here. You've got webinars, you've got blogging. And as you scroll through, you can have a better look at some of these. Make your first $100 on the web. So it's obviously to do with online marketing. Looks like mobile phone marketing or something like that. Private label right profit machine. And you can go through and have a look at the various things they have here. Video marketing unleashed. That might be something you'd be interested in having a look at. You can have a look at that, and we'll have a quick look at the private label rights license while we're here. So let's have a quick preview of what this looks like. Now this is Video Marketing Mastery, and we can go here, click on that. It comes with an e-cover and a training guide. Let's go down here and have a look at what their license is like. So Basically, over here, what you're looking for is can modify and change the main product. Can modify and change graphics as well as membership site and anything else you have here. So you've also got here, can add to free membership sites. No, you can't. And it can't be given away for free unless you're doing it in exchange for a list. And it cannot convey the private label rights. So that's okay. So you can actually edit that if you wish to. Now another thing you can do here is go over here to videos, and you can have a look at the various ones here, like private label right videos. And you can have a quick look at what we have here. And as you scroll down, you can see there's Twitter traffic, deal closing, WordPress affiliate sites, membership, WordPress membership, social media. And as you scroll through, you can have a look at the various things they've got going. And these are different niches you can choose from. I did choose the videos, didn't I? Yes, I did. Anyhow, you can scroll through and have a look at the various things they have on offer here. You got WordPress plugins, YouTube SEO version 2, and as you scroll through, you can have a close look at what is available, and you can choose to make a choice from those. Now, if you wish to, you can also have a look at the resale rights and master resale rights, because all you're doing right now is a bit of research and choosing what you want to go for. You might look over here, print on demand. It might be something you're interested in. And I would strongly suggest you also have a look at the resale rights, or master resale rights, and have a look at what they have on offer for the video section, because you'll find that they actually might have some of the latest options available due to being master resale rights. So we'll just press that and we'll wait until it's finished. Okay, and over here you got virtual networking success video course. Then you got your finding balance, which is obviously in the self-help industry. And as you scroll through, you can have a look at what's here, and you can have a look at what might take your interest. Anti-aging, and there's a whole bunch of different things that might pique your interest that you'd be interested in getting involved in. So this is another option you can do for your niche research. Okay, let's go back. Right, let's go back and check it out. Now, another place you can go to is Amazon. Now, why would you want to go to Amazon? Because if you go to the book area of Amazon, you'll find that if a person is prepared to purchase books on the subject, then it is a subject that people want to have answers to. And if you can create not only an ebook about it, but a video course, you'll be in a much better stand to make some money online. Now let's head on over and have a look at Amazon. Now, here we are at Amazon.com. Now, one of the things you have to look at over here is what we need to do is go to the browser bar just here in Amazon, and then we click on where it says all, we click on the drop down menu, and we go down to where it says books. We'll click on non-fiction. Books, and then we just hit enter, and we'll just wait and see what it comes up with. Okay, as you go through, you can have a look through and you can decide on what type of niche you want to do. As you go through, you see, by looking at this, you can actually have a look at the type of things that are popular, because the ones that show up on the non-fiction are the ones that are currently popular. And you might find something that piques your interest, something that you might decide that you might want to have a look at, and decide on whether you want to give it a go. So these are the areas in which you can go and have a look to do niche research. Alright, that's it for this particular video. Let's head on over to lesson number 2.